detection and correction. So in the memory, whatever data is stored in the memory, that may be correct, may not be correct. On based on that, we will be going to be decide and make correct on that. For this, we will be correcting and detecting the two types of errors. One is called the soft error, another one is a hard error. Soft error is nothing but a bit error can occur in the memory from a number of causes. Some error are transient or called soft error. What is mean by odd error? Odd error is occurred in the memory circuit at the time of manufacturing. This error cannot be eliminated. Now think it about the soft error. How can be possible to eliminate the error? For that, various methods are there. Among them, the one of the method to correct the error from the error correction code ECC is known as Hamming code. In this Hamming code, if the code word as a n bit, we need to 2 to the power of log base 2 n plus n is an additional check bit for the ECC. EC bit whose the index or power of the 2 are used as a check bits, and remaining ECC bit are the data bit. The data bits are D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8. For that, the error bits are E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7, E8, E9, E10, E11, E12. D1 is connected with a E3, D2 is connected with E5. Like this, each and every bit is connected. The correct bit, the error bits are E1, E2, E4 and E8. For that, I have to check the error bits. So in this, the 8 bit of data is given. The data bits are 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. For this, the error bits are E1 is equal to E3 XOR with E5 XOR with E7 XOR with E9 XOR with E11. So R D1 XOR with D2 XOR with D4 XOR with D5 XOR with D7. So if it is place the corresponding value of this one to in this, you will be get the E1. Similarly, E2 can be written as E3 XOR with E6 XOR with E7 XOR with E10 XOR with E11. Data bits D1 XOR with D3 XOR with D4 XOR with D6 XOR with D7. The corresponding value will be placed over, and E2 is equal to 1. E4 is equal to E5 XOR with E6 XOR with E7 XOR with E12. They are D2 XOR with D3 XOR with D4 with XOR with D8. The corresponding value will be placed over. You will be get the E4 is equal to 0. Similarly, E8 is equal to E9 XOR with E10 XOR with E11 XOR with E12. The corresponding value will be placed over. You will be get the value 0, 0, E8 is 0. Now how do we write the E1, E2, E3, E4? First I have to write the corresponding bits over here. Error 1 is E1, E2, E3, E4. I have to write the corresponding over that. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you leave this bit because you have to check the error of E1, you have to check the error of E2, you have to check the error of E4, you have to check the error of ET. In this E1 column, in this where the ones are there, I have to write it corresponding value. For in this E1, the 1 is existing in the E3, 1 is existing in the E5, 1 is existing in the E7, 1 is existing in the E9, 1 is existing in the E11. This one we are written here. So similarly E2 will be is equal to 1 is existing in the E2, 1 is existing in the E3, 1 is existing in the E6, 1 is existing in E7, 1 is existing in E10, 1 is existing in the E11. We are written this one. Similarly, we can write the E3 and E4. The corresponding value of error ECC code is according to this one. E1, that is a 0, we have got it. 1, we have got it. E3, nothing but a D1, that is a D1, we are written here. Then E4, nothing but so 0, we are written this one. Like this corresponding ECE we are written over here. By taking another example, determine whether there is an error in ECC word is given, and if so, correct it. So in this problem, they are given ECC error, that is a given. In this, the error is existing or not, I have to check it. In this E1 is nothing but this one. Your corresponding data will be going to be placed over that. We will be got the 0. Okay. E2, this is the formula what we are generated in the earlier. In this corresponding value will be placed over here. We will be get answer 1. If E4, yeah, corresponding value is got it 0. E8, corresponding value is got it 1. So in this, once you got the value, first I have to write the E0, E2, E4, E8, means 0, 1, 0, 1. We are placed that one to here. Okay. The corresponding value of in this E1, what is given by the 0, E1, E2, this one, E4, that is a E4, E8, that is a E8. The syndrome is this one. Whatever error is generated, this one. So when we are carried out the XOR with 0, XOR with 0, that is a value is 0. So this is a 1, XOR with 1, value is 0. 0 XOR with 0, value is 0. 1 XOR with 1, the value is 0. Thus, meaning that there is no error in the reading ECC. There is no error is occurred. If it is 1 is occurred in this line, or 1 is corresponding 1 is generated, then ECC is containing the some error.